Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you? So, a couple of days ago, I ordered some fabric and it was delivered today. And I thought, I'll show you what I bought. 16 yards. So, 2 yards of 8 different fabrics. I just don't know how to go really into this because I do not okay. Okay, I'm gonna get it out. Ooh, so I got some of the new Tula pink Grayworks line. And I've had this print in, let's see, the ivory, the green, the pink, the purple. I've had it in a lot of colors. And this, man, I thought that was beautiful. It's going to make some great blenders. And then a polka dot. And a nice stripe. And then, whoops. From the darker portion of it, let's see, I'll continue on this way, I guess. This is another of that. Just love it. Another. Another. And then the final dark. So, I don't know if I'm going to make a monochromatic quilt with this. I don't know. And I may go back and get some more that's got some of the animals and the colorway on it. And when one of the backings gets it in November, I may actually buy a couple of yards of that. I just think it's beautiful. So, oh, I got this from Sooner Quilts. It's in Guthrie, Oklahoma. And Michelle is the owner. And I think I really like the way it came packaged and everything. It took 2 days to get here. So, I think I found me another place to buy fabric. I will talk to y'all later. If you're going to get some of the Tula, let me know. And let me know what you're going to make out of it. This might just have to, I don't know, go in the stash and curate for a little while. Just sit there and look pretty. Anyway, I will talk to you later. Bye.